everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm Harmony, owner of Rainbows of Light, your Swarovski authorized reseller. And today I wanted to share with you some new earrings that I made that were really fun and very simple to make. They incorporate the Swarovski Crystal 5621 twist bead in crystal silver shade and some chain, which is very stylish and fun to wear. So if we get started, today you're going to need some chain. I just found this. It's called Heidi and Joe at my local Joann store. You're also going to need a few flowerette beads. I also found these at Joann's. They're Heidi and Joe, and they're 6, 8, and 10 millimeter packages. We're just going to use the 8 and the 10 millimeter today. You're also going to need some Swarovski crystal head pins. These style number is 5840, silver, and I just chose aquamarine today because you're really not going to see the crystal at the bottom for this project. And then you're going to need a couple of ear wires and some jump rings. So what I did first was I cut my chain. I did 20 strands of about 2.5 inches long. So you're going to use 10 strands for each earring. And you just thread them onto your head pin like so. And then you're going to take the 10 millimeter flowerette bead and you thread it onto the top like that. And then you're going to take your 5621 Swarovski crystal twist bead. This color is crystal silver shade. Thread it on like that. And then where the finishing touch is going to be an 8 millimeter flowerette bead right on the top there. So then you can just hold the head pin down by the crystal area and make a small little loop at the top. Close it up tightly. And then you're going to take your jump ring and thread that through the loop that you just made. Close that one up tightly too. And then, easy enough, you just take your ear wire hook and thread it through the top like that and close that top. There you have it. Some really beautiful Swarovski crystal earrings that you can wear and make for all your friends to enjoy. These particular twist beads are at 75% off now. They are about $3.50 for 3 pieces, so it's quite a steal. You can find them on our page, our rainbowsoflight.com page, underneath the 75% off sale page. So please visit our website, and I'm always here and happy to answer any questions you may have. Please always let me know. And thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. We like to say, we stock 'em, you rock 'em. Thank you.